In this video, we're going to be talking about calories. I know you've probably heard of calories before in reference to food and them being on our nutrition labels, but calories are actually a physics term. So the definition of calories is the amount of energy needed to change the temperature of 0.001 kilograms by 1 degree Celsius. But it takes 1,000 calories to change the temperature of 1 kilogram of water by 1 degree Celsius. So when we put calories on food labels, we're talking about the amount of energy essentially that we're taking in as we're eating that food. So one thing to bring up here just to get clear what exactly a calorie is equivalent to is that 1 calorie equals 4.184 joules of energy. This is something you can write on your equation sheet. Also, 1,000 calories, we use CAL as calories, but it's equal to 1 kilocalorie. And some people write that as KCAL, or they also have it as a capital CAL. So there is just to make you aware of those units. A calorimeter is a tool that we can use to measure the specific heat capacity of a substance. Because remember, we said specific heat capacity is the amount of heat it takes to raise 1 kilogram of a substance up by 1 degree Celsius. So it's very closely related to calories. So it's going to use the temperature change of that water and the specific heat capacity to determine what the amount of energy transferred is. So that's going to help determine our calories. So there are some practice problems here. Remember we said that we have 4.184 joules of energy per calorie. So if we know how many calories we have, we can just multiply it by our 4.184 to find how many joules of energy there is. So if we just take this times 4.184, we know that's per calorie, so times 100 gives us 400. Again, pardon my writing, I don't have my good mouse. 418.4 joules of energy. Now, if we have the joules of energy, but we want to find the calories, we just need to do the reverse. We just got to divide by 4.184. And I'm not going to take the time to do this at the moment, so if you want to figure it out, that's totally fine. But this is going to give you how many calories are in that amount of energy. So if you want extra credit, go ahead and solve for this, and I will give you extra credit for that.